So you also play Civilization 6.
I love Civ 6, yeah.
Usually go with Korea, you
I
said?
do, yeah. So the great part about Korea is they focus on like science tech victories, which was not planned. Like I've been playing Korea for years, and then all of the Neuralink stuff happened. So it kind of aligns. But what I've noticed with tech victories is if you can just rush tech, rush science, then you can do anything. Like at one point in the game, you will be so far ahead of everyone technologically that you will have like musketmen, infantrymen, planes sometimes, and people will still be fighting with like bows and arrows. And so if you want to win a domination victory, you just get to a certain point with the science and then go and wipe out the rest of the world. Or you can just take science all the way and win that way. And you're going to be so far ahead of everyone because you're producing so much science that it's not even close. I've accidentally won in different ways just by focusing on science.
Accidentally won by focusing on science.
I was playing only science, obviously, like just science all the way, just tech, and I was trying to get like every tech in the tech tree and stuff, and then I accidentally won through a diplomatic victory, and I was so mad. I was so mad because it just like ends the game one turn. It was like, oh, you won, you're so diplomatic. I'm like, I don't want to do this. I should have declared war on more people or something. It was terrible, but you don't need like giant civilizations with tech, especially with Korea. You can keep it pretty small. So I generally just, get to a certain military unit and put them all around my border to keep everyone out. And then I will just build up. So very isolationist.
Nice.
Yeah.
And just work on the science and the tech.
That's it.
You're making it sound so fun.
It's so much fun.
And I also saw a Civilization 7 trailer.
Oh man, I'm so pumped.
And that's probably coming out.
Come on, Civ 7, hit me up. I'll alpha, beta test, whatever.
Wait, when is it coming out? It's in
2025.
Next year, yeah.